Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one we'll be learning how to program using Rust as a programming language. So the first thing that you need to do, open up your browser and then head over to this URL rust-lang.org, and then you need to click on this install, and once you do that you'll have this page where it says install Rust. It tries to automatically identify the operating system on which you are, and based on that it gives you the necessary prompt. For example, over here it says that you need to download rust.init.exe if you are on a 64-bit or rust.exe for 32-bit program. You can also make use of Windows subsystem for Linux, and there you need to make use of the curl command. So here I'll be going ahead with download rust.init.exe 64-bit. Let's do that. Once downloaded, we need to execute it, and here you can see the command prompt coming up, and it says that we need to install the C++ build tools before proceeding. So let's go ahead and continue with yes. And here the next step, it shows that what all has been installed. So if you scroll up a bit, it says welcome to Rust, and then the Rust metadata and tool chains are going to be installed at this location. .rustup directory, the cargo home directory will be .cargo, and we'll have the Rust home environment variable modified. This can be modified using the cargo home variable in the path environment. So here you are getting the path where all these things will be installed, like the Rustup metadata, the cargo, and the compiler. And here we have this information which says this path will then be added to your path environment variable, and one can go ahead and change it from the registry key as well. Now the current installation options as shown: default host, default tool chain, profile, and modify path variable is set to yes. Then we have these three options coming up. Proceed with this. Then we have these three options coming up. Proceed with the standard installation, customize installation, cancel installation. So for this, I'll be going ahead with the default or standard installation. So let's press enter. And here you can see that it has started the installation process. It's downloading components like cargo, Clippy, Rust docs, Rust standard, and then the Rust compiler. And once the components are downloaded, it's started the installation process. You can see all those installing messages coming up, and here it says Rust is now installed, and one can go ahead and type in the commands like cargo rustc to check whether it has been successfully installed or not. You can see that the cargo's bin directory is set to user profile.cargo/bin. So let's press enter key, and now I'll be opening up the Windows PowerShell, and here if I write this command rustc, you can see that it has installed properly, and you're getting all these help messages. So along with this command we have the options and then input, which obviously we'll be exploring in the next lecture. So stay tuned for more updates.